spinning?
Yep. All right, go ahead.
Okay, this is our presentation. This is our lights. So what we have here is we have our fuel cells they're kind of like the generators. We have them hooked up to here, and we have wires sending them, like connecting them to the light source and the turbine. And what we did is we did two series of parallel circuits in our red and our green. This will be one being industrial and the other being like residential, which we connected through the parallel, like I said that. We had a few troubles at the beginning, especially with the LED lights actually connecting them so they'd light up. Getting enough power was a little difficult at the beginning, but then when we figured out a way to actually line them up evenly and get distribute power correctly, it was okay. If I could change anything, I'd change the way we crank our thing, because it's a little complicated, and yeah.
You know, maybe reinforce.
Yeah, and then we'd probably try to correct our wiring, because it's really sloppy, because we didn't have enough time after figuring it out.
All right. So how many of each one do we have in here?
We have 11 on
11 of each. Who has the rubric? Go ahead and put 11. All right. Go ahead and start phase 2.
What is that?